did it make a change? So don't you try to tell me what is right for me. To be concerned about you, I can't do what I want to.